Hi everyone. So today it's Saturday and we boarded the train yesterday at the midnight 11:05 exact. At 11:02 the train reached, and then we boarded at 11:05, and then we were so tired and we slept off. We are not able to short the train. This is the train which we booked from Hubli Junction to Bangalore. So this time when we are returning back to Bangalore, we booked first class, so A1 which we call it. So this time we got A1, which is very much in a private zone, which is having only 2 bed, which no need to share with anyone. Usually minimum 4 beds will be there for even for the first class compartment. So this time we got only 2. Ensure it, and here you can see it, cupboard which you can keep your luggage. If you have excess luggage, you can keep over here inside. Mini cupboard, and support table is like only this much, and these 2 are our luggage, and my Apo is sitting at that side. No energy. Abu, how is your feeling coming back to Bangalore? You look very tired.
I'm really tired.
Okay.
I'm really tired.
Super excited? No?
Not so excited.
You can see outside now. We are almost reached Bangalore. I think we have left with 15-20 minutes, I think.
Is it Bangalore Central? I guess.
Looks like we almost reached and done the packing, everything. So this is the door, and there you can see the washroom details. In case if you need to go to washroom, you can see the detail. Western and Indian washrooms are there at the both the side. So in case if it's empty, it will show vacant with a green color, and if it's occupied, then it will show the red color. So through this indicator we can go for the washroom. And this is the upper bed, and this is the mirror. Okay, now I'll show you. Sorry, I forgot. This is stairs, a mini stairs which goes to the upper bed. Okay, this is the door. So we have just closed the curtain. I'll open it. Yeah, this is how it looks. First class. Okay, and this is how we lock the door. Locking the door. Yeah, see, in case in the evening if you want to lock the door, you lock it and then unlock it. Very manual work. Unlock it like this. Done. And then we gotta put the curtain over here, and then from here we reach at Yeshwanthpur now.
Yeah.
Okay, so see, pull. Ayo, sorry. Pull, and you can see the compartment over here. This is the full A1 compartment. So A1 we will have difference like in the A1, A, B. So we got C. We got C, and now you can see the inside from here. You can see from here. Yes. Abu. So we reach Yeshwanthpur. You can see the see See the public craziness at outside because we reach at the Yashanpur railway station, and this is the another side of A1. We'll pull this door. Yes. The craziness of the Bangalore Yashanpur railway station is outside. We just got stopped at the Yashanpur railway station, and time is 7:25, and our arrival time is 8 o'clock, so I think half an hour is there to reach Majestic, and it will stop sometime over here in Yashanpur. And that's it, guys. So once we reach,
We got the cab. Heading back to home.
hi guys, so now we reach at Majestic Bangalore railway station and heading back to home in Ola cab. Apo now Bangalore traffic starts.
Yeah.
It's morning 8 o'clock and Bangalore traffic is huge. We're gonna miss that place.